Go.
All right, today we're doing just a lower body workout. I'm just going to show you one time through, but you're going to do 4 rounds of each exercise. It's 15 reps. We're going to start with a pendulum lunge. I'm going to show you from the side. Start with the right leg and you lunge forward and then back. So we'll go forward and back. Nice tight core, shoulders above the hips. You're 6. One more. Good. And then you'll do the other leg. The next exercise is going to be side lunge to knee lift. So you lunge to the side, extend. Lunge, extend. 15. So here's 4. Three more. Good. Then you'll repeat on the other leg. Then we're going to do 15 squats with a 10-second hold. So it's squat, air squat up and down as quick as possible. Five more. And then you hold for count to 10. And then squat heel raises with arms overhead. And hold for 10, count of 10 again. And now squat, power. You do not have to. You can go at any level. And hold. And good, and then you start all over again with those pendulum lunges. Have a wonderful Monday. Thanks.